Are you afraid of wasting money when running Facebook ads? Well, I don't blame you. In 2024, a lot has changed. But what if I tell you that there is one thing that will give you the confidence to run campaigns that deliver amazing results? I know it sounds like a big promise, but this is where it gets very weird, because with this thing, you'll be able to become whoever you wanted to be with just a single click. Now imagine for a second that you had the superpower to be whoever you wanted to be. What if with one click, you could become a world-class designer or video editor? What if with one click, you could transform into a salesman who could close any deal? What if with one click, you could become Batman or Super... Oh, scratch that, because this doesn't serve the purpose of this video. I know it sounds like a fairy tale more than a Facebook ads tutorial, but hear me out. When this special thing was announced, I was scared.
I'm scared too.
Pretty much every marketer out there I know was scared, especially the copywriters. Side note, this thing will put all copywriters out of business for sure. And everybody was wondering if this thing can actually create better campaigns than us, the mere mortal marketers. And I tested it. I was very skeptical at first. When they announced something new, I'm always wondering if it is just hype. I resist the temptation of implementing new technology because most of the times it does not work, and implementing new technology in marketing is like trying to catch every wave in the ocean. You might ride some good waves, but often you end up tumbling on the surf. Of course, I'm not a surfer. I live in Bulgaria. We have the sea, but no waves. To my surprise, this thing was completely free.
Good stuff, free stuff.
And honestly, it created something better than I could create. Could you imagine? Your marketing guru from Bulgaria beaten by the algorithm? Now, you probably already know I'm talking about AI, but there is one big problem with AI. Actually, the problems with AI are two, and I'll start with the very first big problem. Let me explain. I train Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. In BJJ, you have the option to train either with gi or without one. A gi is similar to the kimonos they wear in karate. It's a traditional martial art uniform. When I purchased my gi, my instructor told me, never dry the gi in a dryer. It will shrink. This advice stuck with me, but then about a year later, I bought a new high-tech dryer. You know, the one with the display and the timer and all the cool gadgets, you know. I was tempted to dry my old stinky gi, a decision I thought would make my life much easier. I popped the gi into the dryer, attracted by the convenience it promised, and the result? The dryer worked wonders in drying the gi, but as my instructor had warned me, it shrunk. It no longer fits me. The very tool I thought would simplify my life had destroyed this essential piece of my training gear. In BJJ and many other areas of life, doing things the old-fashioned way, like air drying a gi, might be more time-consuming and require more effort, but it keeps things in their best condition. In the same way, AI has many benefits, but it's important to understand its limitation and where we still need human input of our creativity and judgment. AI can help strip away the nuances and personal touches that are often essential, especially in the field of marketing and Facebook ads that heavily rely on human judgment and creativity. I don't say avoid AI, but combine AI with your human intuition and creativity, which brings me to the second big problem. Yes, AI is cool. AI will write copy for you, create videos, and optimize your campaigns. But AI itself is useless without proper direction and decision making. AI is a tool, much like a hammer or a paintbrush. It can build or create, but it can't decide what to build or what to paint. This is where you come in. In Facebook ads, the real power is not just in executing tasks, but in making strategic decisions. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what message would resonate with them, and how to best deliver this message. You can get the AI to write the copy for your ads, design the creative, but it is all up to you to decide what the campaign will be about, when to start the campaign, when to stop the campaign, when to scale. AI provides the instruments, efficient, precise, and ready to play. You are the one who must lead the orchestra. Crafting a symphony that resonates with your audience, you choose the tempo, the melody, and the harmony. You are the leader of this orchestra, and in many cases, your role extends beyond choosing the right notes. It involves understanding the mood, or even the concert hall, in this case, the market, and the preferences of your customers. It's about understanding the rhythm of the market, the new trends, and adjusting your strategies accordingly. Just like a conductor who feels the audience response and leads the orchestra to softer passages, you must tune your campaigns to the dynamic pulse of the market. Remember, a great conductor doesn't rely on just the sheet of music. They bring their own interpretation and emotions to the performance. Similarly, in your marketing campaigns, while AI provides data and automated processes, it's your unique interpretation of this information and your creative input that will add depth and emotion to your campaigns. And in many cases, those are the things that will make your campaigns work. To be a successful marketer in these days, if you wanna scale your ads in 2024, you must have your ability to implement AI with your human vision and human creativity. In this ever-changing landscape, if you wanna be a successful marketer, you must combine your human insights and AI's latest tools. I had to say it, but this is the truth. This is the art of modern Facebook ads marketing, using technology not as a replacement of human skills, but as a complement to enhance your campaigns. So embrace the role of the conductor. Let your AI be your orchestra, but lead it with your intuition and creativity. Strategic thinking, strategic decision making are what we are missing in this digital landscape, because more and more people will rely on the algorithm and they will neglect their human creativity. So if you want to get deeper into some of the AI capabilities, and if you want me to show you how I actually use AI and ChatGPT in my campaigns, I've created a brand new online course called the Targeting Academy, where I'll show you how I implement ChatGPT to write a lead level copy that converts. Also, in this online course, the Targeting Academy, I'll show you how you can target specific groups and pages. The link is in the description below. For the first 5 days, you're gonna get $100 discount. So if you're really serious about being successful with Facebook ads, I'm gonna see you inside the Targeting Academy. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, go and watch all my previous videos without even missing a single one. Just kidding. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon, I guess.